Okay, what are you gonna say?
Ha ha ha.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
Ho ho. You're gonna hide, right? Like hide some places. I'm gonna say, Kyler, where are you at? I want to kill you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Say, let's see the EXE kind of find.
Okay, let's go. Walking in the mud. Run!
Go.
Sorry, I'm thinking we hide like on the porch. But yeah, he would never find us, I don't think. But this cat you can, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're allergic to cats.
No, I can do it.
I'm sorry. This is so scary. Scary.
Blood.
Poor guy just blood.
Blood activation.
Oh. That's blood.
Got blood on my finger.
What you just did? What did you just throw a rock?
Yeah.
Guys, shh. Guys! Ralphie! What? I don't see him because we went the opposite way. We went the opposite way. Hey, I hear something. Wait, huh? Oh, I'm back alive, guys. Guys! Subscribe! Guys, subscribe! 3, 2, 1! Thank you, guys! You subscribe. Oh my gosh. Thank you. You subscribe. Bro, Brandon, they subscribe. Subscribe. Please. No, guys! Oh boy, Brain! Do it in the leg! Guys, did you just do that? Hey, did you just do that? Did you do Brayden, what's going on? I'm not scared of you, Lil. Okay, I'm scared. Well, I got an idea. Guys, if you can see them. Guys, what's that? Whoa, what's that? What's that? Oh, no.